Let's take a look at the lines of production in the case of our new system. Set up and then set the production line. Over here, we can see one of the directions of our messages. Here's the move of the industry. If the industry moves, you can choose the static voice and, the static voice. The flight voice here is the right encoder device. If I choose the inside, I don't write the encoder. We can see it on our side. This must be the color before we adjust. And then we're in our input with the pen hat, and this is this white one of our belts. Or a belt checked out, and this one is equivalent to the bottom of the belt. There's no face, and now we're in this position with this belt, and we're drawing strips. A wire belt or a taped wire or something, too. It's all marked, and then the belt, and we don't have to face it because if it's tape, he's got a knife. Cut him off is this part, not a section, not a line for him to dispose of. If you click more than the wheel, we'll change the code more than the belt. When we turn around, we stop and we stop. We don't need us to change the distance below, which means this sign we made on Pete. We need our hands to get in there. If this calibration distance requires us to fall in, we can save it. And we've got an external light chain. We've got a printing delay here. You can stay in the middle of the game. Stay here at the table for the selection of good light years.